for your watching this video series. For this one, we are talking about how to find the median. So if you see here, median is the formula is 2 divided by 2 of this n plus 1. So that is our find this middle position number. Compared to last video, when we talk about the mean is talking about the middle value of your numbers, those list. So that is your summary all the numbers and then divided by the number of those number elements or data. So they are used in from the different formula and also serve on the different situation which I described in the last video. And I am starting to upload this series into my YouTube channel. So if you go to the YouTube with my channel, so this is my ID, so Yasin Zhao. And from the video list, if you scroll down to see, it's already have 13 the videos there, so you can browse those from the beginning, and I'm keep the uploading the more the videos gradually. At the same time, is if you want to get the notification of those new the code updates, you can watch this do math with Python in GitHub, and I already synchronize from my local VS Code to the GitHub. You see here, this is our last the video talking about how to calculate the mean. And at the same time is I also synchronize this to GT. So then you have both environments or the repository to get the latest code reference. And this is the MindMind file. This is the Markdown export. So all those are the things is I hope it can support your learning. Follow with me, and also you can try for your own on those reference code. So let's starting for today's video. So what's the difference of median compared to mean is we already mentioned, and for the definition is we can see here. Median is the collection of numbers, is another kind of average, or it's still the average, but this average is using the different method is to find the median. First, we need to sort the number in ascending order. So starting from the lowest one or the smallest one and ended by the largest one. So if the length of the list is of the numbers is odd, the number is the middle of the list is the median. So if you have 7 the numbers, then the number 4 is the median. If the length of the list of numbers is even, we get the median by taking the mean of the 2 middle number. So for in short is if you have 4 numbers, the median is your number 2 and the number 3. And make them as our calculating of mean. So that is the different way to do that. So let's have some again this donation, and we will put that into this median calculator. But first is let's back to our Python's this terminal. So we have the sample list. Now is go to the 413. So why we do this is by default normally is your data set is not all in the ordering the sequence. So first is we will have this one use the sort the method. Then is we let's see. So sample list now is 134. So sort is getting that ordering. And then what we will calculate actually is not the calculate, it's the find. Decided by whether your total number of this data set is even numbers or the odd numbers. Now this 3 is odd number, so the median is this actual middle number. So you have 3 is n equal to 3. How you define this 2? So n is 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. And then we make that convert to integer is 1, and we add 1 is 2. So because why we add 1 is because it's for the list is starting from 0, so in the index. So we need to find this the 2, and then this if we want to list that is actually is just the number 1, so for this 3. So that is you need to pay attention to is when you calculate the number of our list, and when you want to retrieve our number from our list data structure. So that is have the different this starting the index. So let's just try to demo how we can do this calculation. So we still have our donations. So we starting from this one, and we change the formula parts. So let's see. So find the median. And the mean, if we use this calculate, so that is different. This wins is also calculating, but actually we need to define find and calculate the median. So the donation is still here, and we will change this one. So we will get our list same. So but now our the calculation is calculate median. So we still have this n, but we don't need summary. So n is here. Then what we will do is we do the numbers sort. Then we have our ordering find, and then we see how we can find our this middle number. So finally we return median, but in the middle is to find the median. And if n, I just used the small case, is divided by 2 with this modular is 0, then that's n is our even number. So what we will see is that is the even. Then we will see the m1 is n divided by 2. This is the just the normal divide, so that is get our float, and m2 is n divided by 2 plus 1. So consider is but if is modular 2 is even, and then you get our integer actually, or so-called integer with dot 0. So if we have a 6 number as n, then n divided by 2, you get 3. N divided by 2 plus 1, you get 4. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get these 2 middle, the position number. And we convert them to the integer and match to the position. So convert to integer. Actually, you can do this directly here, but let's do this step by step. Match the position. So m1 again is convert to integer m1. And we have our -1. So this position is because index is coming from 0. So you need to make that -1. So integer m1 is get 3, but the 3 is on the index 2. So that is you need to do this converting. So m2 same as -1. So now we have these two the position into the list. So then what I have is medium is because it's even. We have two the numbers. Actually, is if I have the list is just we do this number m1. So number use this m1. Now is the correct index numbers m2 and divided by 2. So that is my reading when the is have the even number, and just the else will be the odd number. So that will be easier is we have the n plus 1 divided by 2. Why plus 1? You can imagine is if I have a 5 number as n, if I put that divided by 2 is 2.5, and 5 numbers is the number 3. So the number 3 is the bigger than your this floating divide. So you should add this 5 to 6, and then 6 divided by 2 will be 3. So that is the position for all the numbers middle one. So and same is we also need to have this step, and we have this one, and we put that is the m. So and the medium is just numbers m. And then what I have is I will return medium. And I got this donations list. I add one number last time. Then this what I have is the medium. And I let's put those middle back. So calculate this one. So I still have this middle, then that will return the middle. So and I put mean and calculate mean. So I have this one and I have the n. So this one is show the mean, and let's do another one is show the median. Actually, median is divided by those last is 1, so it's not our floating, so we just have the 1. So let's run this. So you should let's quit and run. So we have this 510, but our median is the when we have this sorted, and then this we have this number 6 is the 60 is our sorted. So if I don't have this added one, let's see. So if I run, so you can see 500 like this sample. So it can be big change if you have different numbers of in the data set. So they are representing the different flavor of your data set, how you can find the average. So they are not always same. So you need to consider is which one is used better in which situation. So I hope it's you get this one and easy to compare through mean and median, and you have this two calculator on hand now. And we will later is next video talk about the mode, and that is another way to to look at our list of the number. So I hope you also get some the reference from this video. See you in next one. Bye for now.